Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear 10th class. How are you, dear students? Dear students, today we will discuss about the common tangents. This topic is taken from exercise 13.3 from your Punjab textbook board, Bahawalpur. My dear students, before starting this, I would like to explain the common tangents of the circles. There are two types of the common tangents of the circle. First one is transverse tangent and second is direct common tangents. When we are going to find out the transverse tangent, like in this question, keep this in your mind that the shape of the transverse tangents are in the cross form and they will meet at each other at this line, okay, the original line where the center of the circles are located. And next thing is that you know that the tangents are the line which intersect or which touch the circle externally at only one point. So keep these points in your mind. Now we will move to the question number 6. Draw two equal circles of each radius 2.4 centimeter. If the distance between their centers is 6 centimeter, then draw their transverse tangent. First of all, my dear students, we will draw the line segment of 6 centimeters. Okay, draw the line segment of 6 centimeter, and after that we will draw 2.4 centimeter. We will open your compass of 2.4 centimeters, and then we will draw the two circles, equal circles at the end points of that line O prime. Okay, we will draw the one circle of 2.4 at O and the other circle at 2.4 radius of at point O prime, and after that we will take the perpendicular bisector. We will draw the perpendicular bisector of O prime line segment. How we can draw? You know that we will open the compass more than half of line, and then we will put the arc at upper side and the lower side, and then we will put the arcs from the other point, and then we will draw this line. This line is known as the perpendicular bisector, and this perpendicular bisector intersect this line O prime at point M. M is the midpoint of this line. Now you will take the perpendicular bisector of this part O prime and M from this portion, from M to O prime. Okay, and after that you will take the perpendicular bisector. Now this is the perpendicular bisector of this O prime M, and we will get the point C. C is the center. Here you will put the compass, and then you will draw the circle, a small circle which passes from M and O prime. Okay, from point C we will draw the circle, and now you will take this where this small circle intersect the bigger circle at this point. From this point we will draw the tangent. We will draw a line like this which intersect the both circles externally at point P and P prime Q prime, and here again where both circles intersect with each other, from that point we will draw another tangent which is PQ. You can see that PQ and P prime Q prime both intersect the circles externally, the original circles, remember. Now after this we will write the construction steps. Draw a line segment O prime is equals to 6 centimeter. Draw two circles of radii 2.4 from O and O prime. Draw the perpendicular bisector of O prime which intersect O prime at point M. Again bisect O prime M and get the point C, this point C, and then draw the circle from point C which passes from M and O prime. Draw the transverse tangents of the circles with centers O and O prime which intersect at M. Okay, dear student, you can see that both tangents make the cross. They are opposite inside, and second thing is that they will intersect at each other at the point M which lies on the line O prime, and third thing is that both tangents touch the circles externally. Now we will move to question number 9. Draw two common tangents to two touching circles of radii 2.5 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter. Here we will draw the common tangent. Okay, we will draw two common tangents to draw we will draw the common tangents, okay, and we will draw the two circles. My dear students, here first of all we will take the two circles of a radius 2.5 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter which are given, and after that we will draw the common tangent between these two touching circles, okay. Not two, this is draw the common tangent, this is common, okay, one tangent. Now my dear students, first we will check that the sum of their radii is 2.5 and 3.5. So first of all we will add and we will draw a line segment OO prime of 6 centimeter, OO prime, because their sum is 6, sum of their radii is 6. So we will draw, and after that we will draw the circles 2.5 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter, both circle with intersect each other, okay. And at the end, after that we will draw take the point M. M is the midpoint where M is a point where two circles intersect with each other of that line. And after that we will put our compass at point M and we will draw the angle of 90. How we can draw? Means we will draw the perpendicular angle or right angle. How we can draw? First of all you will put your compass here and then you will draw a semicircle, okay. Then you will do not change the length of the compass, and then you will put the compass at this point here, okay, at this point, and then we will draw an arc, first arc, and then we will put the compass at here, draw another arc. Now we will put the compass at point first arc and draw the arc here up, and we fix the compass at that point and draw the arc here. And after that we will join this intersecting line to this point. This is the perpendicular. You will extend the line and draw the tangent, which is the tangent AB, because this line tangent is the common tangent of two circles, okay my dear students. Keep this in your mind whenever you are going to draw to construct an angle, a right angle. You will not change the length of the compass, okay. Now move to the construction steps. Draw a line segment OO prime 6 centimeter because sum of their radii is 6. Draw two circles of radii 2.5 and 3.5 centimeters from point O prime and O respectively. Both circles intersect with each other at point M. Draw the angle of 90 is perpendicular line at M. AB is the required tangent, which is the common tangent of both circles. Now my dear students, we will move to question number 11. This is the last question of your exercise and as well as your chapter. Draw circles which touches both arms of 45 degree and 60 degree. First of all my dear students, we will consider first part, which is equals to 45 degree. Here how can we draw? First of all you will draw a ray BA. You can name this AB also, BA. This is ray because it has one starting point and from one side it can be extended. And then you will draw the angle of 90 as we have done in our previous question. And after that, of drawing the 90, we will take the angle bisector of 90. How can we take? Please look at this. You will fix your compass at here, at this point, and draw an arc. This is the arc. And then you will fix your compass without changing at this point, and then you will draw another arc. When the point where two arcs are intersect, we will join this with point B and extend this line. This line BC is the angle bisector of 90 degree. And you know that the half of 90 is 45. So this is the angle from this point to this is 45. Again, by using this method, we will, now this is our actual angle which we are going to find. And now my dear students, you will take the half of this circle, means we will again find the angle bisector of 45 with that method. Now our angle is from this point to this. So we will fix your compass at here and draw an arc, and fix that compass at here and draw another arc. Join this point with B and draw a line, angle bisector of angle ABC, and our required angle is BCA, and then we will take the angle bisector. And after that, my dear students, we will draw the line, and now put your compass at any point of that angle bisector, and then you will draw the altitude. How you can draw? You will put compass here and draw an arc here, and after you can draw also altitude on that line also, and after that we will put your compass here and draw an arc, put your compass again here and draw another arc, and you will join this to that point where we have fixed the compass. Okay, after that, my dear student, this is the point which is the center actually. Now we will put your compass at this point, and then we will draw a circle in such a way that it can touches the both arms of the angle 45 degree. So this is the required circle. Now we will move to the construction steps. Draw a ray BA, because this is ray, you can see this is a ray BA. Draw an angle of 45 degree at point B. Draw angle bisector of BP, means this is BP is angle bisector of angle ABC or CBA. Draw an altitude from point O at BA. Draw the circle from O which touches the both arms of the angle 45. Now second part is 60 degree. This is very simple method. First you will draw the ray BA, and after that you will put your compass here, and then when this first arc actually is for the 60 degree, is indicate the 60 degree. This is the value of 60, so you will join point B from this and draw a line, a ray BC. Now angle ABC is the 60 degree, and after that we will take the angle, we will find the angle bisector by the previous method. Put your compass at that point, and at that point draw both arcs and then join this line. Angle ray BP is the angle bisector. Then we will take any point at point BP and then draw altitude. After altitude we will take the center of the circle, and then you will draw the circle which touches the both arms of the angle 60. My dear student, you can observe that this is the right circle. And now we will draw the construction step. Draw a ray BP, draw an angle of 60 at point B, draw angle bisector of BP of angle CBA, draw an altitude of the point from AB. Here remember one thing, this is ray AB, but you can write this AB, BA but with the direction must be the same, must be the proper. Draw a circle from O which touches the both arms of the angles of 60. Dear student, this is the end of your chapter. I hope so that you enjoyed your practical geometry. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.